everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of spatial video. Imagine yourself immersed in a mesmerizing world where landscapes come to life, scenes unfold in breathtaking detail, and every moment feels like a journey into another dimension. It's truly amazing to watch, isn't it? Now, here's the catch. While some headsets offer the ability to experience spatial video, they often come with a hefty price tag. But what if I tell you there's an affordable alternative? Yes, you heard it right. It's Zapbox, an exciting, accessible way to dive into the realm of spatial video. But what exactly is Zapbox, and how can you watch spatial video through it? Stick around as we uncover more details about it. Before we start, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Algorithm Live and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech and unique gadgets. Imagine watching a video where objects feel like they exist in real space, not just on a screen. That's the magic of spatial video. It captures depth information, creating a 3D environment that adjusts as you move your head. It's like having your own personal movie theater wherever you go. Now, before we dive into Zapbox, let's briefly touch on Apple Vision Pro, price starting from $3,499. This groundbreaking device is Apple's foray into spatial computing, offering users the ability to capture memories in stunning 3D. With its advanced features and compatibility with the latest iPhone models, Apple Vision Pro sets the bar high for spatial video recording and viewing. On the other hand, we have Zapbox, an affordable yet powerful alternative for experiencing spatial video, priced at only $99.99. Developed by the innovative team at Zapbox, this headset leverages your iPhone's capabilities to deliver an immersive mixed reality experience. Zapbox utilizes a combination of technologies to achieve its spatial viewing experience. The iPhone 15 Pro Series LiDAR scanner captures depth information in the environment, allowing the video to be reconstructed in 3D space. Zapbox headset uses gyroscopes and accelerometers to track your head movements. This allows the video to adjust accordingly, creating the illusion that you're physically present in the scene. This headset uses two separate displays, one for each eye, presenting slightly different perspectives to mimic natural human vision and create a convincing sense of depth. Here's how to get started with Zapbox. You'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, as these phones come equipped with the necessary LiDAR scanner technology to capture spatial videos. Additionally, download the free Zapbox Spatial TV app. Open the app, then locate your desired spatial video, which can be either one you've captured yourself or downloaded from compatible sources. The headset uses a slot to securely hold your phone, displaying the video through its lenses. Put on the Zapbox and adjust the fit for optimal comfort. Now you'll be transported into the scene, able to move your head and explore the 3D environment of the video. Before we move forward, take a moment to explore some of the amazing products from Ugreen. Ugreen offers a wide range of gadget accessories, including chargers, cables, adapters, and more. Plus, you can even enjoy up to 30% off. For more information, check the description box below. Zapbox isn't just about spatial video. It's a gateway to a plethora of immersive experiences, including gaming, 3D art creation, and more. With free apps like Zapbox House Party Pool, 3D Model Viewer, Zapbox Chess, Zapbox Block Builder, and OpenBrush, the possibilities are endless. Featuring full-color pass-through and Bluetooth controllers for seamless interaction, Zapbox offers a user-friendly and affordable solution for mixed reality enthusiasts. Plus, with over 13 years of experience in XR and computer vision, you can trust the Zapbox team to deliver a top-notch product. While Apple Vision Pro may boast higher resolution and standalone capabilities, it's essential to question whether these two are truly competitors. More than a competitor, Zapbox emerges as the ultimate iPhone accessory, offering a budget-friendly gateway for enthusiasts keen to delve into spatial video experiences and even indulge in immersive gaming sessions. At its accessible price point, Zapbox opens doors to a world of possibilities for iPhone users seeking both entertainment and innovation. Spatial video is a revolutionary technology that promises to change the way we consume content. With the Zapbox, you can experience this exciting innovation at a reasonable price of $99.99. Whether you choose Zapbox or the premium Apple Vision Pro, get ready to be amazed by the immersive world of spatial video. So, what are your thoughts about Zapbox? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.